The South Korean National Assembly has officially begun its 45-day probe into the Itaewon crowd crush. Talks between the rival parties were drawn out over major sticking points. Kyung-eun sheds light on the developments.
It's been a rocky road, but the National Assembly has finally approved the plan for a parliamentary probe into the Itaewon crowd crush that killed 158 people last month during Halloween festivities. The plan is largely based on the last-minute compromise the rival parties struck the previous day. But at Thursday morning's meeting of the newly launched Special Investigation Committee, they had to negotiate again over some key details. At the center of the controversy was the Supreme Prosecutor's Office. The main opposition Democratic Party called for it to be subject to the probe, saying the government's focus on fighting drug crimes contributed in part to the Itaewon crowd crush because the police at the time were focused less on crowd control. But the ruling People Power Party said the claim was politically motivated.
Reforms already took away the prosecution's power to investigate drugs. Furthermore, linking the incident to the government's crackdown on drugs could lead to political war.
We call for members to be guaranteed the freedom to find out the truth about the incident, and we ask for the government's active cooperation when we request documents and testimony.
Previously, at the PPP's request, the DP had called for the probe to be included in the prosecution service in exchange for excluding the Justice Ministry. The final deal does include the prosecution, but only the division in charge of drug crimes. As for the hotly debated presidential office, as previously agreed, it does not include the Presidential Security Service. But it does include the Presidential State Affairs Monitoring Team and the National Crisis Management Center. Altogether, the probe covers 16 agencies and organizations. However, the plan also stated that other organizations may be added if approved by the committee, which could lead to disputes later on. The probe will last for 45 days, which can be extended upon the committee's approval. The actual investigation activities, parliamentary hearings, and on-site inspections will begin after the National Assembly passes next year's budget, which is slated for December 2nd. Kyung-eun, Arirang News.